In this video, I'll show you how to use clipboard in your Android phone. So at first, just open up your keyboard. Now from here, if I copy some text, just select it and then touch and hold it and select all and then tap on copy. Now if you want to find your copied text on clipboard, on the keyboard you can find clipboard option. So just tap on this clipboard icon and that's it. On the clipboard you can find your all the copied text. So if you want to paste this text to search bar, you have to just simply tap here and that's it. Also if you want to delete any text from your clipboard, just touch and hold it, then tap on delete option, then tap on delete and it's complete. Also if you want to pin any text, just touch and hold it again and then tap on this pin option and that's it. And that's how you can use clipboard in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.